Skoda has unveiled the 2024 Skoda Superb, a new flagship vehicle for the Czech automaker. The Superb is expected to launch in India in 2024 and will feature a sharper design, several powertrain options, and more features than ever before. The car's been designed from scratch with an extensive redesigned exterior, interior, and eco-friendly materials. The front fascia of the Superb adopts Skoda's latest modern solid design language, featuring sharp lines and a modified octagonal radiator grille. The grille receives ample chrome treatment, and the front bumper features LED matrix beam headlights. The side profile remains similar to its predecessors, with 19-inch turbine-styled alloy wheels. However, the rear end has a slightly more differentiated design, with new LED taillights and a slightly changed rear bumper. The Superb's exterior features Skoda's largest version of the butterfly grille with chiseled chrome surrounds and vertical slats, slimmer headlamps featuring twin LED projector units, and a prominent character line running across the car and door-mounted ORVMs. The rear features a wraparound LED tail lamp reminiscent of Audi's latest sedans. The Superb is 43 millimeters longer than its predecessor, offering more space for passengers. It measures 4,912 millimeters long and has a 2,841 millimeter wheelbase. The Skoda Superb is a larger version of its predecessor, featuring longer and taller sedan and estate versions. The sedan's length and width have been increased by 40 millimeters and 5 millimeters, while the estate version's height and width have been increased by 43 millimeters and 12 millimeters. The 2024 Skoda Superb interior has undergone significant changes, resulting in a more modern and sophisticated look. Skoda Auto will offer the sedan with 7 different interior design options, with the India spec model likely featuring the recently launched black and dark brown leather upholstered interior. The new interior features a massive 13-inch infotainment system with a floating type design, sleek air conditioning vents, and multifunction smart dials for control. A 10-inch virtual cockpit displays all important information to the driver. The Superb shares its interior with the Kodiaq SUV, which also features a 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Skoda's latest operating system and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The driver gets a 10-inch digital instrument cluster and a 2-spoke steering wheel with capacitive buttons for various car functions. Skoda also has redesigned the dashboard layout with Skoda Smart Dials, which control various interior functions. These dials feature on the new Kodiaq but are bespoke to the Superb. The new car has multifunction capabilities, including controlling fan speed and heating, volume for the audio system, driving mode selection, and zooming in and out on the navigation screen. The gear selector's been relocated to the steering column Mercedes style, freeing up space on the center console for extra storage. Air vents are now integrated into a straight dashboard design, and there's a USB-C port behind the rearview mirror for plugging in a dash cam. Sustainable materials are used throughout, and the brand's existing Simply Clever features, such as umbrellas hidden in the door panels, are still present. Safety features include Level 2 ADAS, 10 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, park assist, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. The quality of the interior has taken a distinct step forward, with some very tactile materials used and tasteful use of color. Skoda has also used olive tanning in its latest leathers, which is more environmentally friendly than regular tanning, and moved the shifter onto the steering column to provide more space in the center console. The Skoda Superb will be available with various engine options internationally. The first option is a 1.5-liter turbo petrol mild hybrid generating 150 PS of power. The second option is a 1.5-liter turbo petrol plug-in hybrid generating 204 PS and a 6-speed DSG transmission. The third and fourth options are 2-liter turbo petrol and diesel engines. The turbo petrol offers 204 PS in the first state, while the more powerful tune provides 265 PS. Both models have front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive layouts with 7-speed DSG transmissions. The 2-liter diesel engine offers 2 stages of tunes, with the lower power tune offering 150 PS and the more powerful option offering 193 PS. Both models have a front-wheel drive layout and an all-wheel drive layout with a 7-speed DSG transmission. Skoda is not entirely focused on electrification in its new Superb, which will offer both plug-in hybrid and mild hybrid powertrains. However, the company will still offer 2 diesel engines and a pair of high-powered petrols. The range will start with a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder mild hybrid petrol unit powered by the Volkswagen Group's latest EA211 Evo 2 family of engines. The petrol engine will have an output of 140 bhp and is part of the Volkswagen Group's EA211 Evo 2 family. The Superb PHEV has a battery pack capacity of 25.7 kilowatt-hours, allowing the car to cover up to 62 miles on electric power alone. The petrol engine backing the electric motor is the same as the current Superb PHEV, but mated to a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The Superb's non-electrically assisted petrol and diesel engines are returned versions of the same range of the 2-liter 4-cylinder units that power the current car. The petrol engines have outputs of 201 bhp and 261 bhp, while the diesel produce 148 bhp and 187 bhp. All 4 engines send drive through a 7-speed automatic gearbox as standard, with the most powerful options featuring 4-wheel drive as standard. The new generation of the Audi A4 is a relaxed and confident performer with minimal surprises in terms of performance and sound. The drivetrain remains unchanged from the old model, but the suspension setup has been updated with the latest version of adaptive suspension, Dynamic Chassis Control Pro. This suspension is more responsive with stiffer rides but no discomfort. The car turns in with more eagerness in bends and tracks corners accurately, making it an improvement over the previous 3 series. The front seats are supportive and have a spot-on driving position with adjustable headrests for 4 aft and up-down. The car offers as much space as the Superb up front, but with a column-mounted transmission selector for phone storage. The rear has excellent space, and there's a fold-down center armrest with an integrated tablet holder. Overall, the Audi A4 is a great choice for those looking for a comfortable and efficient car. Skoda's Superb hatchback is expected to start around £32,605, while the MK4 model, featuring larger dimensions, hybrid powertrains, and new technology, is expected to start around £34,000. Estate prices are expected to start around £35,000, and UK sales for all models are expected to begin toward the end of Q2 2024.